Hello student, in this video we will discuss about heat engine, how heat engine work and what's the principle of the heat engine. So heat engine is a device that converts the heat energy into the mechanical energy. Engine is a device, heat engine is a device that convert heat energy into the mechanical energy. And what's its principle? Its principle is if a system and if the system is at the different temperature, that if a system is at the different temperature, the part of a system are at different temperature, they tends to change towards the state of equilibrium. Different temperature, if the part are at different temperature, they tends to have the temperature that tends to have the thermal equilibrium, and that is the principle of the heat engine. Means if a system has different part and the different part are at the different temperature, then they tends to change towards the state of the thermal equilibrium. Now construction. So construction, there are three parts, that is number one is source, second one is sink, and third one is mechanical mechanical part you can say. Or one thing more here, one is working substance also, working substance. So first part is source. So source, what is source? The source of the body is maintained at high temperature. Means this is the part of the source which is at high temperature. This is called the source. And second one is sink. This part is called as sink. This part is sink. And sink is at the low temperature, means which absorb this part, sink. This part absorb the heat rejected by the working substance. So next part is working substance, but this is the part. This part is called the working substance. This part absorb the energy from the source and convert it into the mechanical work. That is by mechanical work and the rejecting, it sends the rejecting heat to the sink. That is Q2. Q2 is the, here Q1 is the heat taken by the working substance from the source which is at the higher temperature, and Q2 is the heat rejected to the sink by the working substance. Now next is mechanical part. So what is mechanical part? The mechanical part of this mechanical parts are the of the engine are required for containing the working substance. Means to transfer the heat of the mechanical energy to the appropriate part of the machine. Its work is to absorb the energy and send it to the appropriate part of the working of the machine. Now how is it work? So first of all, the working substance, that is, this is the working substance, absorb the heat from the source, and a part of absorbed heat is converted into mechanical work. Means this energy which is used by the machine for the work, and the remaining energy that is into mechanical work, and the remaining energy that is rejected to the sink. Now the temperature of the working substance remains as it was before the absorption. In this whole process, the temperature of the substance when heat is absorbed from the substance source, and the working substance use the heat, and the remaining heat will be sent to the sink. Now all the part of this machine will be at the same temperature. Therefore the working substance now again ready for absorb the heat, and repeat the process continues, and this process continues. We get a continuous amount of the mechanical work. So this is the working of the heat engine. Now if we consider here Q1 is the heat, we know Q1 is the heat, this absorbed by the working heat absorbed, this is the heat absorbed by the working substance, and Q2 is the heat rejected to the sink, heat rejected to the sink. So W is the mechanical energy. Is the mechanical energy or the work performed by each cycle. We can say this is mechanical energy or the work performed. So if there is no change in the temperature, we have said here that there is no change in the temperature after this whole the process. Therefore, working substance at the end of the each cycle, so therefore change in the internal energy of the working substance is 0. That is, we can say that du, change in internal energy, that is final energy minus initial energy, is equal to 0. Change in energy is equal to 0 because there is no change in temperature. So change in internal energy is equal to 0. Therefore, according to the law of the first law, according to first law of thermodynamics, so what is first law of thermodynamics? That is dq is equal to du plus dw